Tuesday morning, investors. This is JetLifePennyStocks.com here with another pick for the week. Today is REVO, the Revolutionary Concepts Incorporated. The last trading day was Monday, August 27th. We saw a previous close of 0.0033, and we closed the exact same price on Monday, giving us no change. And actually, we didn't trade a single share on Monday, giving us a volume of 0. I think that REVO is ready to break out in quite a few areas here, and we could see some major price gains coming up shortly. Our 14-day RSI is at 48.59, like yesterday's pick. It is right around that center mark there, which is really a nice place to be. It gives us a lot of headroom, as well as a lot of room below us in case things were to turn south. Our daily charts here have got a couple things going on currently. We do have our parabolic SAR and the gold dots here underneath our candlesticks. That's a bullish indicator. We also have a support line right around, what is this, 0.0025, I would say. You could probably put another one down here at 0.0015, but that's a slightly more weak support line there. And as far as resistance lines, it's looking to me like we hit our resistance yesterday at about 0.0035. After that, we probably don't have anything until around, what is this, 0.0046. We kind of hung around there in late July until we fell back down. And while we're talking about falling down after the July prices, I've noticed this really short-term head and shoulders, or rather inverse head and shoulders pattern here, where you have your first shoulder here, it goes down to a head, and then comes back up to the second shoulder. Typically, these kinds of patterns will result in a breakout. Volume-wise, we have seen a nice little increase here, except for today when we didn't trade anything at all. Hopefully we'll get some awareness out on this stock, and that would increase the shares quite a bit for when the market opens today. Our MACD line is bullish right now. We did cross over our signal line, and we're approaching that center line there. It's a good sign. Tricks as well as bullish. We just crossed over that center, that 0 line yesterday. Slow stochastics is kind of consolidating right now. We are still above our signal line as well as above that 50. Have a long way to go before we need to worry about the slow stochastics dropping too far down. Our CCI is nice and leveled above the 0. It's at 37.91. Very nice, conservative place to be. It's also leveled out. It's not going down. Hopefully we'll see that go up when the market opens later. Stochastic RSI is at 0.925. We did kind of consolidate a little bit, came down off of that 1 mark, and now we're consolidating right there. Hopefully we can hang on to that a little bit because we are in that bullish zone. Check and money flow dips down below that 0. We have been doing this little zigzag thing up and down, but we should be able to recover from that once the market opens today if we get enough interest and enough purchases in our shares. The ADX here is letting us know that we are in a downtrend, and that's a result of our prices that we've seen moving up there on the daily charts. The negative DI is above the positive DI. They are fairly close together though, and it kind of looks to me like they could be pinching soon. The ADX line itself in black is at 19.35. We are under 25, letting us know that this negative this downtrend is relatively weak. Our PVO is bullish as well. We came down, bounced off of our signal line, which was above the 0 line, letting us know that our prices are above, our share volume is slightly above average. Money flow index is at 47.42, comfortably in the middle of that 50, and this is read a lot like the RSI up at the top. And this is just a nice comfortable place to be, just like that RSI up there. Accumulation and distribution suffered a little bit lately. It came down back in the early June, I should say, and it really hasn't recovered since. We are kind of bottomed out right now. Hopefully we can recover and hold on to some of our shares that we can get purchased today when the market opens. Overall, our REVO is looking really nice to me. All of our indicators are set up great to see some major breakouts. I'm very excited about all of these bullish indicators that we had here with our PVO, as well as our stochastic RSI and our slow stochastics, tricks, and MACD. All of these are fairly, really nice looking signals here, as well as that inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's relatively short term, but I'm excited to see what it does tomorrow when the market opens. We should make a big breakout, maybe stick around that 0.0047 resistance line, but I don't see us sticking underneath it too long. I think there's a good chance we'll break it when the market opens. If you have any questions or want to talk about this, you can find us on the iHub boards. Just search Jet Life and we'll be right there. Also, you can email us on any of the email addresses on the screen. As always, we hope to see you on the boards, and good luck when the market opens.